Alright. So, we're going to a truck meet, and oh my gosh. Are you serious? I guess it snowed all through last night. Whoo, it's cold. Okay, let me get in my truck. Are you serious? I was supposed to be going to a truck meet. This is great. I guess I'm still going though. Luckily my truck cranked. I'm surprised it did. Dang, dude. My truck is gonna get dirty. Sorry, getting dirty. Good grief. Alright, so we're going to a truck meet with a couple of my friends. My friend. I'm going to meet with my friend. He's got a truck just like this. So he's got a blue truck just like this. Alright, let's get everything. I'm gonna get the Defender loaded up, I guess. Or the four-wheeler. No, it probably won't crank. Dude, everything's out. I forgot to put everything up last night. It didn't say it was gonna snow last night. That's why everything's out. I'll bring the Defender. Luckily, it cranked. I'm surprised it cranked. Dude, this is like an inch of snow. I've gotten, like this is deeper than I've gotten stuck before. Oh my gosh, this Defender just does fit in this. Alright, let's go. So, you can see a little bit better. Not really though. Alright, let's get going. This truck is so nice. Alright, let's go. Hope there ain't nobody. Oh, yep, there is. Alright, let's go. So he said to meet at the market? Food market or something? I forgot. I'll have to call him before I get down there. Can't pass you, lucky. He'd be getting past right now. I'm gonna get out from behind this dude. Never mind, I thought it was. Dude, you can hear it. You can hear it's cold. I mean, it should be. It's freezing out. Turn this way. Dude, there ain't a road here. I forgot where he said to go. There's that car that was being a slowpoke. This thing's got a bunch of power from the start, but it takes a minute for it to get some speed. I mean, it's alright. It does okay. but it's not like instant power flying. Dude. Oh, that ain't where I'm supposed to be going. Oh yeah, he said right up here. I forgot. I'm glad I turned this way. Yeah, he should be right up here. Yep, right there he is. Dang, that's a nice truck. I hadn't seen it in person. I've just seen pictures of it. He hadn't seen this either. Me and him got the same tires. Pretty sure. Yeah, same tires. I think the same rim. He sure dang does. Well, dang. Alright, so he's gonna hop in the truck with me. And we're going to head down the road to the hunting land. We're going to go check it out. Whoa. Thing's got some good brakes. My boots are slippery. Alright, let's go. The bike coming. Wonderful. People ain't smart. They need to learn how to drive. I'm just seeing it. Bruh, get on your dang side of the road, dude. Dude's crazy. Really? Alright, there shouldn't be nobody down this road. That's abandoned, I'm pretty sure. Alright, so... Whoo! Okay, that got slippery. Oh no, I don't know where the path is. Was that it back there? Oh, you can't even see where the path is. I don't even know where the path is. I think this might be it. Yeah, because it's in front of that sign. Dang, this is it? Dang. Where is it? Well, never mind. We're not going to the hunting land. To where we normally go hunting. Well, dang. The path's completely covered up. Well, I guess we'll go get McDonald's. I don't know. We'll go to get something. Well, dang. I guess we'll stop here and eat. Yeah, we'll stop here. Use your dang turn signal, dude. Alright, well, I'll see you when we're done eating. Alright, so we just walked out the door and we're heading back to the truck. That was some good food. Turd. What? Huh? Those two of the same cars. Why are y'all stopped? But that was a perfect parking place for me. Alright, so I'm gonna bring him back to his truck. Listen to that. Sounds good. Alright. Let's go. Dude, this thing is ripping. Dude. Gah. Bruh. Turds. Alright. Here you go. See ya. Alright. We're heading out now. Why does it feel squatted? It feels squatted. Maybe not. I don't know how you unsquat this. There it goes. Yeah, it was squatted. But dang. It makes it, on that hill, it made it equal. Dang, dude, this thing's low. Let me lift it up. There it goes. That looks better. Alright. I'm about to haul butt. Alright, I'm gonna go. I can go. I love this truck. Dude, I love this truck. Whoa, bruh. Don't do that to me. This thing has got so much power. This thing rolls. Alright, I'm gonna floor it. I don't know why it, like, does this. I guess it's, like, gearing down. There's a deer stand over there. We'll go check that out in just a minute. On the Defender. Alright. Well, we did that for literally no reason. But that is going to be it for today. If you enjoyed, let me know down in the comments. I will see you in the next one. Peace.